Hello children, welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Let's continue with geometry, lines and angles, exercise 16b, part 1. Here they are asking us to identify the pair of angles, whether the pair of angles are corresponding angle, interior alternate angle, exterior alternate angle, adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle or aligned angles. So I have detailedly explained each angle and how to identify this angles briefly in a previous video. I have given the link in the description box. You can just have a check over there. This is the example problem for identifying the corresponding angles, interior alternate angles and so on. Right? So here they have given us a diagram. This is a transversal line. This is a transversal line because this line is cutting the two parallel lines. So it is called as transversal line, right? This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. This is angle 5 and here is angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8, right? This is the diagram they have given and they are asking us to find corresponding angle, interior alternate angle, exterior alternate angle, adjacent angle, vertically opposite angle and aligned angle, right? And our first question is angle 3 and 6. So from this diagram they're asking identify the angle between this angle 3 and angle 6. That is, just let me circle the angles. So they're asking about this two angles, that is 3 and 6, right? See children, here how to identify these angles is, look here, this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Both are in interior, right? That is, it has came inside these two parallel lines, right? So there is a chances of interior, and see here, this is towards the left side and this is towards the extreme right, alternate sides, right? So interior alternate angle, so this might be interior alternate angle. Yes, see, it is interior alternate angle, right? I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the second one. This is angle 2 and angle 4. They're asking what is the pair of angle between this angle 2 and angle 4. Let me circle so that you can understand it clearly. See, angle 2 and angle 4. So they're asking for these two angles. Just have a look. See, it is just next to the each other. It is just uh, beside this 2. 4 is just beside this 2, that is next to this 4. So it might be adjacent angle, right? Because it is just nearby, next to each other. So this is adjacent angle. Even in this way, you can just remember it. I'm just telling a easy way to remember it, right? Let me erase the circles. And our third question is angle 3 and angle 7. Let me circle this angle 3 and angle 7. Yes. See children, here this 3 is in interior side and this 7 is in exterior, that is outside, right? One is interior and exterior and it is in the same lane, right? So this is corresponding angles. This is corresponding angles. Yes, our answer is correct. So I'm just telling a simple way to identify it. From the name itself, you can remember where the angle should be, right? So here 2 and 7. Most of them will forget how to find these angles. So this is one of the easiest way to remember. Yes, here one angle is 2 and another is 7, right? Here Look at this angle 2. It is exterior side, right? And even 7 is on the exterior, outer side. See, it is on the outer side. So, both are exterior side, and look here, one is towards the extremely right, and other, the 7 is towards the extreme left, right? So, alternate, right? So, this angle comes under exterior alternate angle. Yes, our answer is correct. Let's move on to the fifth question. Let me erase the circle. Mm. Angle 4 and angle 6. They are asking for angle 4 and angle 6. Look here carefully, children. Both are interior, right? So you might think that it may come under interior alternate angle, but it doesn't, because see, both this 4 and 6 are towards the right side. Alternate means one should be right, one should be left, right? But here both are towards the right side direction, so it doesn't comes under interior alternate angle. So which angle does it comes? See, it is on the same side, allied angles. It is arranged in the same side, interior. So it is allied angles. Just a second, children. Yes, allied angles. Let's move on to the sixth one. Angle 1 and angle 8. Here is angle 1 and here is angle 8. Look here, children. Angle 1 is on the exterior side. Angle 8 is also on the exterior side. So there is possibility of exterior alternate angle, right? And look here, alternate means it should be on the either side. Alternate, this or that. So this one is in the left side and 8 is in the right hand side. So exterior alternate angle, 1 and 8 are exterior alternate angle. I'm just telling a simple way to remember this. From the name itself, you can remember this angles where it should be. Seventh question, angle 1 and 5. I'm just erasing this 8. 1 and 5. See, children. For corresponding angle, one should be interior and one should be exterior, right? See here, 1 is towards the exterior and 5 is towards the interior angle, right? Interior. And it is just in the same line and there is 3 in between. One more angle is in between. So 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next one. Eighth one, 1 and 4. I'll erase just 5 and just let me circle up this 4. Just look at the angle 1. It is towards the external and this is towards the internal, right? Here one angle 1 is on the external side and 4 is on the internal side. But it is alternate, it is on the left and right, but one is internal and one is external. So there is no possibility of internal alternate angle and external alternate angle, right? So most probably it will come under this vertically, where is it? Vertically opposite angle. See, it is vertically opposite, right? I've clearly explained why it doesn't comes under internal alternate angle and external alternate angle. It is vertically opposite angle. Look here, it is just opposite. This angle 1 and 4 both are just opposite to each other. So vertically opposite angle. Our ninth question, angle 5 and angle 7. Where is angle 5, children? Let me circle this angle 5 and angle 7. Look here children carefully once again. For identifying this corresponding angle, it is very easy. From the name itself, you can remember this. If you have missed my explanation for each of this corresponding angle, interior alternate angle and everything, you can just check them in the description box. Angle 5 and angle 7. Here is angle 5 and here is angle 7, right? See here. This is towards the internal and this is towards the external, right? Here one is towards the internal angle and another is external, right? So you might think it might be corresponding angle. Look here, for corresponding angle, in between this 5 and 7, there should be some more another angle, right? But see here, where is correspond? Yeah, here 3 and 7. Previously in 3 and 7, 5 was in between them, right? But look here, 5 and 7, one is interior, one is exterior, right? But there is no angle in between them, so it doesn't comes under this corresponding angle, right? So it is adjacent angle. It is next to each other. See, even in this 2 and 4, one is exterior, 2 is exterior and 4 is interior, right? And there is no angle between them. In between them there is no angle. It is doesn't separated with anyone. Adjacent means just next to each other. Nothing should come in between them, right? So for your clear understanding, I am just explaining it like this. Adjacent means next to each other. What do you mean by adjacent buildings? Adjacent means next building towards you, right? So the next building towards no gap between them, just next building. In the similar way, the next angle to this angle 5 is 7. So this both are adjacent. First you have to understand what is the meaning of adjacent. If you understand the meaning of adjacent, it is very easy to remember this. So this will be adjacent angle. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for geometry, lines and angles. Thank you.